Greetings to all. Today I am reflecting on Saint Ignatius' pilgrimage. Saint Ignatius of Loyola's pilgrimage was a transformative journey, seeking to deepen his faith and understanding of God. His pilgrimage was not only a personal journey but also a path to serving others and spreading the values of education, compassion, and social justice. His journey also inspired others to seek meaning beyond themselves and to channelize our experiences into positive action for the benefit of others. Thank you. Happy feast to all.